Here at Signorama Greensboro, we can provide you a full variety of promotional signage and graphics. You'll see on this video hundreds of products we have made for Greensboro businesses just like yours. Our mission is to grow your business. Work with a thought partner that will add value, raise your marketing standards, and demand attention. From vehicle graphics, eye-catching exterior signage, or interior wall graphics that will build your company culture, we are here for you. Our product is made in-house from skilled technicians that add quality and assurance each step of the way. Choose Signorama Greensboro, and let's get your job completed successfully together.